aromatic salt with my Thermomix. So the first step, we're gonna put salt inside the Thermomix, and then we have a series of herbs. We have mint, thyme, rosemary, basil, sage, bay leaves, parsley, juniper, and garlic. Okay, so we're gonna close our lid and set up for only 15 seconds at speed 10, and we'll be done. Here it is. Now you can see how beautiful. Okay, we already have our aromatic salt. What I'm gonna do with this, with the salt now, I'm gonna just take a paper towel and put it on a paper towel and let it dry overnight. And then by let it dry, look how beautiful. Now we can use the salt to add it to our roasted to fish, if we have to roast some chicken, any kind of meat or vegetable. So it's beautiful, it smells amazing, and I love it. I put it on everything. So this is the aromatic salt. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching my video, and if you like my video and like what I do, follow me on YouTube at Maddalena Paliscando. Thank you. Bye bye.